Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access a dustbin in Roborock S8. To do this, first we'll need to open the hatch that is located right here. Simply pull it upwards. Then you'll be able to find your dustbin, and to remove it we'll need to press on the button right there and then pull it up. Inside you can find all of the dust and simply remove it. You can also, I think, open the this hatch right there, which I'm gonna try doing. Oh yeah, so you just need to use a bit of the force to open it, and then to close it, do the same thing. And to insert it back, we need to align it the same way, and then pull it until you hear the click. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.